Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video guide, I will show you how to fix Roblox not launching or crashing error on PC. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for fixes, then go through this video guide and follow the steps carefully. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, simply click on the Windows icon over here, then select power and then click on a restart option. This will restart your device. Try to launch the game and check if this solution works. If not, the next desktop. The next solution is to run game as administrator. For that, go to the desktop, select the shortcut icon, right click on it, select properties. Now click on compatibility tab and here click on run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. If this doesn't work, then simply click on run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8. And after that, click on apply and OK. Now try to launch the game and check if this solution works. If not, next solution suggested is to clear Roblox apps cache. For that, you simply need to open your browser, then click on settings and then click on privacy and security. So you need to go over here, click on privacy and security. After that, go to third party cookies, go below and select see all data and permissions over here. In the search bar, search for Roblox, then click on delete option here and then click on delete. After this, you simply go to, after that click on Windows plus R, type %temp% and then click on OK. Here you need to search for Roblox over here, select it and simply click on delete option. This will delete the cache of the Roblox app and then try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, the next suggested solution is to update graphics card. For that, go to the search bar, search for device manager over here, go below, expand display adapters, right click on the graphics card and then click on update driver option and after that select search automatically for drivers. This will search for the best available drivers and install it on your device, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's launching now, or else I have provided the link in the description. Simply go through it and download the latest drivers for your PC. The next solution is to allow Roblox through firewall. For that, go to the search bar, click on Windows Defender Firewall, click on allow an app or feature, click on change settings. Here you need to check if the game is added or not. See, as the game has been added. If not, you simply need to click on allow another app, click on browse and then click on add option. So your game will be listed here. Now select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and after that click on OK and then try to launch the game and check if this solution works. If not, the next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, simply go to the task manager over here, click on it under processes tab, find out which app is consuming high resources or is of no use. So select it, simply right click on it and click on end task. After that, try to launch the game and then check if it works. Next is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows is updated. So for that, go to the search option over here. Check for updates option. Here Windows update interface will open. Simply click on check for updates option. Now it will check if there is any update available. If so, simply update your Windows and after that launch the game and check if it's launching now. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, you need to go to the search bar, search for graphics settings. Here you should check if the game has been added previously, or else simply click on add desktop app, search for the app where it has been installed or simply go to the desktop, select the game, shortcut and add it. Now as it has been added over here, now click on arrow icon under GPU preference, click on high performance and then launch the game and check if this solution works. If not, the final solution is to reinstall Roblox game. For that, You simply go to control panel, click on uninstall a program. Now here search for the Roblox player, right click on it and click on uninstall option. Or else you can also go to the search bar, search for settings option over here, go to the app section, click on install apps, and here you can find the app that has been installed. Search for it, go below where the game has been listed, and after that simply click on three dot icon and then click on uninstall. This will remove the app from your PC. After that try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. So all these are some of the best solutions suggested to fix Roblox not launching on PC. So that's all for now. Thank you.